Greetings and welcome back. Today I would like to talk about my school project, which you see is not finished yet. Let me tell you a little bit more about it and why I made the decision to do something like this. Originally, I wasn't so much for it at first, but I wanted to push myself. Till 4 years ago, I was not interested in tech or similar stuff, but I was literally pushed in it. When I went back to school for a new education and to upgrade my knowledge, I was looking for some solutions and products that exist in the world. One day, I came across certain posts on the web that helped me a lot and gave me something to think about. For this project, there were some minor conditions, of course. Used equipment or any other kind of PC parts were welcome, of course. Disclaimer: I'm using some used PC parts from my previous PC build and some leftover aluminum parts. I wanted to combine my knowledge that I've gained and add something more that I was myself and I accumulated over the past few years. In the project that you guys see here, I will of course be using 3D printer to print some part for the case. And the operating system, I'll be using Linux because it's an open source and well documented program if you have any trouble or similar. This whole system will function as a server and a cluster at the same time and as a master node as well. With my project, I want to achieve that I can make something from scratch and to assemble a product from start to finish on a budget as much as possible. It is, so to speak, a DIY server on a budget. There are already many solutions like this, but this one is mine. Over that, there will be a net switch. I'll be using my 8-port TP-Link one. I'll be using my TP-Link one to connect 6 Raspberry Pis or similar single board computers that can fit in this size. The case is intended to be expandable in the future with lots of more options. On the back, upper and lower place, there is a room for two 120 millimeter fans or 80 millimeter ones. I will be using these Arctic ones over from that were left over from my last project. To sum up today's video, a warning to anyone who will or has ever made something like this is to get enough 3D filament. I ordered only one and now I'm waiting for a new shipment to come. To show you what kind I use, it's called Raspberry Pi Transparent PETG. I will leave a link in the description to this website and to an alternate one. So, how will I proceed now? Well, first thing first is to make this case as finished as possible and then add the components to it. If anybody is interested in building something like this, I will be posting plans on the Thingiverse. If you guys would like to support me in any way, hit that like button and subscribe for future videos and updates. That's it for today. Thank you very much and stay safe.